The second part of our day was on a double-decker bus, taking a tour of both sides of the island. This is Tano Beach, guys, in St. Martin. This is where you come and stay on the beach and the planes land above your head. Look at the crowd of people. This is the most touristy thing on the island to do. We hope a plane comes above. We only have 20 minutes here. What a ripoff. See the cove at the end of that island out there. The end of that hotel is pretty cool. So that was the experience at Tano Beach. You get to see the planes come in with the steepest dive to landing in the world. That's what the big attraction here on this side of St. Martin is. I hope you guys see it. We got the plane coming and going right above us. So our last stop here is at Topper's Distillery. We get to go in and sample 10 different kinds of rum. I expect half these old people to be drunk by the time we get back on the bus.
Hello, rum punch?
Hello, yes.
Cheers. Gelato.
So this is a fermenter. They make all their own rums locally here.
Don't get in the rum cake. I was like, you didn't even need to do that. It's good just
To your right, with Marigot right in front of you. On a clear day, you can even see across to the islands of Anguilla, Saba, and Statia.
This stop here, they got lots of chickens everywhere. We are on the top of a lookout.
Little enclave gives you amazing ways to view the ocean. It also makes it nice and easy for you to enjoy the depth and quality of the region in general. If you need it.
side. This is the SXM. There's a bazaar, public restrooms, and the French bakery. And we just got some drinks at the bar over here. Guava Pina Colada. This is the rest of the bazaar on the French side. This is not where the hotels and where the main tourist area is. This is more local.
Probably up there.
Here on board, they have an excursion desk. You can book it prior to getting on your cruise or while you're on board. We always like to use the onboard excursions because they guarantee you access back to the boat. You don't have to be a pier runner if you're late because your cab didn't come back in time. If you go an excursion with them, they guarantee to wait for you and not leave. They also have lots of different things you can do. We have 3 different port stops. We book 3 different excursions. Wait until you see the places that we went to see.